back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys a very easy scalp treatment or a DIY hair mask.
Take a bowl and let's get started to prep this mixture. Full fat curd is an excellent ingredient to keep the scalp infections at bay. Our next ingredient, honey, is a great hair moisturizer. It adds shine to the dull hair, and by moisturizing and locking in the shine, it helps to restore the natural luster to your hair. Next, let's add in 1 egg. Eggs having the abundance of proteins, which serves as nutrition for hair, boosting its own growth and enhances the hair shine and foster repairs. Next in goes my secret ingredient to the DIY hair mask, and that's a teaspoon of ghee. The healthy, rich fatty acids found in ghee nourishes the scalp and the hair.
Guys, so here we are just getting ready, all set to apply this wonderful relaxing hair mask. And as I said earlier, this is going to be a very effective scalp treatment for dry hair, for rugged hair. If you have a lot of split ends, just go for this, okay? And it's going to be very soothing as well. So as you can see, it's going to be a bit messy, so I am in my night pajamas. So let's dive into the process then. Use a comb and soak it in through, okay? You need to divide it, give it a partition, and then we'll start the process. So once this is done, what I do normally is I take up this and take a handful of thing and then give it a good massage onto your head, okay? So let's get started.
It's always good to be consistent and make sure to do this mask twice in a week.
So this is how my hair looks like after washing off the mask of ghee, curd, honey. It feels so good. It's amazing. You feel so good. My hair is like breathing.
I did use L'Oreal products. I used a conditioner and shampoo as well, and then styled my hair.
Feels amazing, right? And I totally love how my hair looks right now. It is touchable, it's so hydrated, it's amazing. It just feels wonderful. I really hope you guys all try out this treatment, and if you do, let me know your thoughts, let me know your comment, let me know how you feel it. If you like it, if you do not like it, whatever it is, do let me know. And you feel this is going to be a really helpful video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like, share and comment. As usual, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to here, and let's all be a big huge family. I'll talk to you again. Until next time, bye.